in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things we love to make at home. Anyway, Chef Ricardo is back in the kitchen again. Alright, breaking news. Click on the link in the description box to take you. You can see my 400,000K subscribing. Oh, it's a blessing. I thank every one of you guys for subscribing to the YouTube channel. And also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus. Me take the time out to say a big thank you. So please click on the link and you can take it to see exactly what's going on my other YouTube channel. Stay tuned and follow me and get the latest update on my food news channel, Chef Ricardo Food News. And there's a lot of activity going on also. So stay tuned and I will see you next time. Bye bye.